Hello everyone. Today we will be learning how to exchange data in PTC Mathcad Prime. Data can be imported, exported, and even manipulated in Mathcad Prime. In this video we will be covering how to import data for a fixed width file, a delimited file, and an Excel file. We will also be manipulating the imported data using an Excel component and saving the manipulated data into an Excel file. This kind of process is great for working with non-native file types. To start, let's take a look at our current working directory, or CWD. This tells us where our file is in the directory. Next, we will create file names for the fixed column width, delimited, and Excel data sets. To import data successfully, we must specify column width and ranges for different data import methods. These values will be used to specify the data we want to import into our Mathcad document. Different read file types require different information. For a fixed column width import, we will read the file and specify fixed as the type. Then we will use the column width vector and the range of rows to import a subset of data. Similarly, for a delimited file, we will read the file, specify delimited as the import type, and use ranges of rows and columns. Excel data can be imported using the readFile function or the readExcel function. Using readFile, we must specify the row range and column range. While using readExcel, we need a string that notes the sheet and cell range to be imported. With these matrices loaded, we can visualize them. Although all the values look the same, when using an equal to comparator, we can see they are not equivalent. As a rule of thumb, if the import type is the same for each matrix, then the values can be compared correctly. For example, a tab delimited matrix will be equivalent to a comma delimited matrix. However, a fixed column width matrix will not be equal to an Excel matrix or a delimited matrix. For this reason, it is best practice to import all data sets using the same import type. Next, we will be using an Excel component to manipulate an imported matrix. In this case, we will use the first Excel matrix as an input expression. By double-clicking on the sheet area, a local Excel window will open where we can use Excel functions to manipulate the data. This is particularly useful when there is an existing Excel function that you can use to obtain the desired result. Alternatives to this are to use Mathcad's programming utility to create custom functions. With the data manipulated as desired, we will define SUMRow as an output expression, making sure to specify the row and columns to include in the variable. Next, we will specify the insert location for the Excel file. We can visualize the sum row vector and confirm it is what we want to add to the file. We will create an out variable using write Excel, then reference the file name, specify the data to add to the Excel file, and provide the insert location for the manipulated set of data. These are just some of the ways to import, export, and manipulate external datasets. There are many other native functions in Mathcad that assist in data exchange and integration. If you'd like to know more about data exchange or any other utilities in PTC Mathcad Prime, don't hesitate to contact us at Tech30. Thank you. Have a great day.